It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I'm going to be recreating my 6-year anniversary nails. So get into this look, okay? But first, I'm going to put my shout outs on the screen. Thank you all for commenting on my last video. And if you want your comment to be put on the screen for a shout out, make sure that you're one of the first people to comment on this video. So as you can see on my nails, I basically have this same look, but on my nails I use the edge tips. So I wanted to do it a little differently, so I went for these stiletto tips. But I'm going in with this color, and both of the colors I use are from Model 1s. So I'm going in with this color. And it is so pretty, y'all. It's just, oh, it got like a little shimmer to it. And I'm putting this on the tip part of the nail. I'm going to be doing an ombre, so I'm just getting this down first. And I do kind of like to let the product set up before I go back in with more. So that's why you saw me do it the way that I did. Now I'm going in with a glittery pink color for that nail bed area. And I'm just going to put that up there and blend it down on top of that first color. So what I have found in one of my videos, I was trying to do an ombre on the tip, which is typically what I do sometimes. I like to use white tips instead of white acrylic. So I'll put the white tip on and then, blend that pink down or whatever, and then cap the whole nail in clear. One thing I have found that works a lot better is if you put a little clear down on that white tip and then blend the pink down. It helps it blend a lot better. In my random nail challenge video, when I was trying to blend that orange over that white tip, it was not trying to move. So what I noticed is that putting down some clear first helps it blend just a lot better. So that's a little tip for y'all. And the nails on my hand, when I remove them, I cut them down and drilled it off and all of that. But because I have this set here on my mannequin hand, I get to keep it for forever. So that's why I really love using practice hands. I can just pop them off and save them as little keepsakes and put them in my little nail case as a display. So I really like that. Now that that pink is on, I'm going to apply some clear to encapsulate everything. And with this being a practice hand, of course, you don't really have to build it like, you know, you're scared she's gonna break a nail, you know. But I do like to cap it just so that my practice is, you know, authentic. And the clear that I'm using is probably Mia's Secret. I really love how the nails turn out that I do on this practice hand. It is just so easy to work with. When I got this practice hand, I felt like all of the nails that I did on it were just amazing. So I don't know if it's me, I don't know if it's the hand, I don't know if it's the products, I don't know what it is, but all of the nails that I have made on this practice hand, they're like some of my favorites. I wish that it suction cupped to my desk better, but it does not. I have a nail class coming up, so I think I'm going to take this hand because the desk that I used to use before I got this one, it folds away, and that's the one that I'm going to take with me when I do the class. So that one has like a shiny surface, so this one will stick to it. But my current table has like a kind of wood finish, and the company told me that because of like the little wood lines, it can't fully suction cup to the desk. That's what they told me. They told me to get a new desk. So I said I'm not buying a new desk. I just bought a new desk. You know, I wish it would fit on this one, but when I use my old desk in the class, it should work on that one. So that'll kind of make my job a little easier because this hand is just so easy to work with. The only downside is the pictures. I wish I could make the fingers come together for the pictures. I thought about putting like a rubber band or something around those four fingers to make them kind of, you know, just go together a little bit. So I need to find like the right band, like a band that'll be kind of like, you know, those rubber bands that are thicker. I need to find one of those that'll just hold those four fingers together so that I can take some good pictures. Now I'm going in with these stickers, y'all. I don't remember where I got these from. It could have been, so many places. The Nail Remedy, Attitude Shop. It could be anywhere at this point. But on these, it has like Love Forever, all these cute little like love sayings. So that's what I decided to use for my anniversary. And I put like some hearts, different little things like that. I think it could be like a Valentine's Day sticker set or something like that. So with these stickers, I'm going to put them on the nail and you want to try to make sure that you rub them in, because when you encapsulate them with the clear gel, you don't want them kind of sticking up. On my hand, the hand that I did with my non-dominant hand, some of the stickers were kind of like sticking up through the top coat. So just make sure that you put them on there, press some, rub them in, and then top coat. Another thing that you can do is apply like some base coat and stick them in that and kind of sandwich them in between the base coat and the top coat. That method has worked well for me. Also, especially on the designs that have like a kind of clear background, having that base coat under that clear sticker, you're not going to have like that kind of ashy look from where the nail was filed and buff and all that. It'll kind of have that ashy look up under there. So that's something that I learned. So my recommendation would be to apply base coat, your stickers, and then top coat. And this is the Beetles top coat, of course. So make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. They came out so pretty, just stunning. Let me know in the comments some other type of nail designs that you want to see. I do have a little black nail book that I'm going to start doing some sketches and stuff in. So if y'all want to kind of see me go through that process, let me know about that in the comments. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you endorse. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.